Hello viewers, welcome back to Dexter's Tech Lab. Now, my last video was all about a Quantel Editbox that was sent in to me to take a look at with the possibility of turning it into some kind of restoration. That is not going to happen. The owner of the machine ended up selling it quite quickly to somebody else, and the machine has been packed, reassembled, packed away, and has gone off to its new owner. So I'm not going to have much more involvement in it now. The good news is I have another project on the go. Video for that will be coming out very, very soon. So I will see you on that one. Bye for now.